What's going on, guys? Mike with Tiger Supplies, and today we're going over the ProShot Alpha C grade laser. Alright, so this is a really cool laser because instead of setting grade on one single plane, it can set grade in the shape of a cone. So this is most useful for, let's say, baseball fields and running tracks. Let's take a baseball field, for example. You want to set this laser up at the high point. That typically is the baseball field's mound. From there, you're going to set a grade, and what it's going to do is it's going to put it in a 360-degree radius going in the shape of a cone, okay? No other laser can do this. So most professionals using this, they'll actually use a mast and a machine control receiver on their Bobcat, scraper, or mover, just due to the nature of the work. So it really speeds up production and saves you time and money on the job site. Now, this laser does come in two different models. We have plus or minus 4% grade or plus or minus 1.7% grade. So depending on your applications, you can get away with either or, but just understand that there is no other laser on the market that can do what this does.